Hi friends, good morning. I have provided the banking, payment, business analyst training for student and corporate people. In case you would like to join the course, please approach for me at tamilbusinesstechnews@gmail.com. In this video, let's we talk about real-time gross settlement. What are the content should be available in my PPT, overview of real-time gross settlement and one functional flow diagram. What is real-time gross settlement? You know this payment should be transferred electronic mode or paper-based transaction. In this real-time gross settlement should be work in electronic mode transaction because nowadays all the banks should be used for the electronic mode transaction because funds should be flow immediately to sender to receiver. Real-time gross settlement also one kind of electronic mode transaction. India they have used many kind of electronic mode transaction. NEFT, RTGS, ACH and book transfer. The many transfer is there. Okay, many payment system is there. RTGS also one kind of payment system from India they are using for the RTGS payment system. This system should be work as a real-time basic as well as the electronic payment methodology. This settlement should be happen as the gross settlement methodology. Gross settlement means the immediately debit and credit should be happen. Suppose sender initiate the transaction, the fund should be credited to the receiver immediately. Gross settlement should be happen. Whenever the transaction volume should be very high, on the time they are using for the real-time gross settlement payment system methodology. Take down this example. One corporate is there. They have a 2 lakhs employees. Okay, they need to transfer the salary to each and every employee for the month beginning. On the time, what will do that? They approach for the RTGS system and make the payment via RTGS system. So that reason I will call it as a RTGS is a high volume payment system. What are the high volume transaction? We need to proceed only for the RTGS lane. In case the transaction is within a 2 lakhs limit, on the time used for this NEFT transaction payment methodology. Suppose in case the transaction value is above 2 lakhs, on the time they use for the RTGS payment system methodology. Based on your transaction amount, the fees and charges should be collected for this RTGS transaction. It should be differ from this one bank to another bank. RTGS clearing time also should be differ from this one bank to another bank. Take down this example. India they clear the RTGS transaction within a 10 minutes. In case the ICICI bank same from India, they clear the RTGS transaction within 11 minutes. Like that. The time should be differ from this one bank to another bank, but the time limit should be maintained from this our RBI central bank. In case the RBI central bank tell that RTGS transaction need to be clear within a 20 minutes for all the bank need to be clear all the transaction within a 20 minutes. Next we will look on this payment flow. Okay, in this example I will provide for this some senior actors. Okay, because the people said that they cannot able to remember the concept. Okay, so the reason I will use for the some senior actors names. Okay, Naindara need to send 3 lakhs amount to that Sambandha. Okay, what will happen for this transaction? Naindara initiate their Sambandha details in their network portal. Okay, suppose Naindara login from this net banking. Okay, she include for this beneficiary of the Sambandha and the Sambandha account number and all those things should be included. Okay, once it should be included from this their net banking portal. After what will happen? Naindara should be initiate the transaction. Okay, in case the Naindara need to send for 2 lakhs rupees to the Sambandha, they initiate the transaction. Okay, it's come to the debtor bank. Okay, what they do the debtor bank? After debtor bank, they route the transaction to the their non-fast payment validation system. Okay, in this system, what will happen? They check for all the KYC, whether it's a Naindara is a customer for the debtor bank or not, and account number validation, and they have a sufficient fund or not, and risk level validation. And what kind of product they are using, all the validation should be happen. Okay, once all the validation should be success, after they do the posting. Okay, account posting. Okay, what they happen, they debit the Naindara real account and credit to that RTGS internal suspense account. And again what they happen, they in RTGS internal suspense account debit should be happen, it's credit to the beneficiary internal RTGS suspense account. Again the beneficiary internal RTGS suspense account to Sambandha account credit should be happen. This is for this only for the internal payment within a country. You initiate the RTGS transaction, it should be flow as the same manner. After it's come to the clearing and settlement. Okay, once it's go to the clearing and settlement route the payment to the beneficiary bank. Okay, again it's forward to the beneficiary bank do all the beneficiary validation, whether the specific Sambandha account is a active account or not, account length is correct or not, and all the KYC validation, risk validation, fund level validation, all the validation should be happen. and the amount should be credited to the Sambandha bank. Okay, once all those things is happen, after they inform to the central bank system, okay, the amount should be credited to that specific bank. Again, the central bank system send the acknowledgement to the debtor bank. The amount should be credited to the specific system, specific beneficiary bank. This is the general flow of RTGS payment. In case it's from this international payment, it should be differ. Okay, in case same example, person A need to send the money to person B. Okay, person A from India, person B from USA. Okay, what will happen? Same, they initiate the payment via channel. After it's come to the debtor bank, here the non-POTS payment system validation should be different. Okay, what they happen? They debit the real-time customer account, person A account, and credit to that Vasto account. Okay, again what debit happened from this Vasto account to Nasto account. Again Nasto account to Sambandha account, credit should be happen. In case the international transaction means, after same thing, the clearing and settlement route the fund to the beneficiary bank, and beneficiary bank forward the fund. Okay, once the fund should be credited to the person B, they send the acknowledgement to the central bank. Again, the debtor bank also send the acknowledgement to the central bank. This is the basic RTGS flow as I explained for you. Real-time gross settlement system should be work as a 24/7 from India, and any high volume transaction they are using for the RTGS payment system from India. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly support for this channel and subscribe